again, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you so much. Please subscribe if you like the content of this video. Right now I'm just showing you, this is just my Cricut advertisement on my Cricut on my computer. Today, if you would like to know how I did that cup, blinged out that cup in my thumbnail, please stay tuned. But first I want to show you a couple of things that I've already made, and I also have videos of these things that I've made. Cricut, you could do so many things with Cricut, and I just love showing people how to design new things with their Cricut. So let me show you what I've done. So a couple things that I've done. I've done this cup, this mug, coffee mug. I love her little dreads with glitter. This is the glitter vinyl right here. Very pretty. I also blinged out this cup, different colors. This is a coffee mug. Also, I have a video on how I did this in my YouTube, and I have a video with the lady with the dreads. I also layered this vinyl cup. It's not perfect, but it's just a nice cup you can still use. I layered this makeup bag. And I also layered this Peekaboo pencil bag. Okay, so if you'd like to see those videos, they're all on my YouTube channel. And also, please join my Facebook page. I have a group called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. We get together, a lot of ladies, young ladies on that page. We get together and we talk about our projects. We do projects together. I show them videos. I do tutorials. I do DIYs. So please click on the link below, and I will add you to our Facebook group. We have a lot of fun on that group, and we learn a lot of different things, and you can ask me any questions you want, and I will help you out on the projects that you're working on. All right, let's get started with this project we're going to work on today. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and go to design on the top right. Click on that. Then I'm going to go be looking for my, my projects. No, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go back to, I'm gonna just go to upload, and I'm just use her right here. Okay. And if you need to find another file, you just go up to upload right here, and you can go upload any of the pictures on your computer that's saved already in your computer. So she's already here in my recently uploaded images, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on her. This picture, this SVG, is very popular. A lot of people love using her. I probably used her a couple times, so I'm gonna use it today on the project that I'm going to do. Let's see. Okay, I already measured my cup, which is this cup right here. A nice tumbler. I got it from saveacup.com, and I'm gonna do it 4x4. Okay. Okay, she's just one group. She's not, I don't have to ungroup or anything because she's just one layer. It's all black. This is a big easy project. You don't have to worry about any layering. Let's see. So I'm going ahead and let me make sure that's the measurement I want. I want to make her a little bit bigger, but I want to keep her 4x4. Yeah, she can stay 4x4. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and make it up. Click on make it up here. My printer is, I just turn my printer on, so you hear that noise in the background. Scoot her down some, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut her. Okay, I got her all weeded out. And now I'm about to take the cup and spray it with alcohol to clean the surface, to make it easier for the vinyl to stick. Well, the transfer tape paper. stick on the contact paper. And you pull it off. Lay the cup down. Let's see how we're gonna place her on here. Maybe not too close to the rim, not too close to the bottom, so right in the middle. What you need to do is fold it so it can make sure the bubbles won't form. So I just lay it, then smooth it on out. Make a slice with the scissors so you won't get no bubbles. Let me show you. All right there. Then that should be good. Perfect. Okay, so just rub it a little bit. I'm gonna take this lid off, so it won't get in my way. Okay, and let's see. Pull her on out. Pull her. Voila. We gotta worry about the bubbles because we're gonna cover that with some bling bling. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use these beads. I'm gonna use a small. These are 5mm beads. Pearls. These are 9mm pearls. Light pink, light blue, and some dark pink. Yeah, I'm gonna use the E6400, E600. This little picker-upper thingy. Okay. So I think that all the tools that we need. And what I do is I put the beads inside the little top so I can shake them up and pick them up with my little picker-upper thingy. And then you start placing it on there. With my glue up, we'll be ready. What I do is I usually place the small beads on first. So what I'm gonna do is just go around the edges. This is what I do. Everybody had their own way of doing things. This is how I do it. I like to put the small beads on the outside because this. I'll probably throw some big ones on here for the first time today just to see. Okay. Let me see. Pour these on the table. Okay. And I just start putting them on there. As you see, I love crafting with my Cricut. I've made so many different things with this Cricut that I have. I only had a couple months and I've been making a lot of different things. I like doing vendor tables. I have an online store called Charming Gal Boutique. So if you don't want to make these things, you can purchase it off my online store. All the crafts I make, I basically personalize them for my customers the way they want it. I love personalizing items from book bags to tote bags to shirts to towels, dish towels, cups, mugs, coffee mugs, water bottles, all sorts of things. Pencil pouches, makeup bags. I do it all. Umbrellas. Let me know if you want to see a video of me doing my umbrellas. I do them sublimation umbrellas and I also do vinyl umbrellas. So just let me know if you want to see those type of videos. Or if you want to see anything else, just let me know. And I can see what I can do for you. And please, if you into craft and you want to learn more about Cricut, please please join my Facebook page, my Facebook group page. It's called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. And I can leave that. I can leave that link below. Got a little bit too much glue right there. So I just spread it out like this. Spread it out a little bit. And I'm gonna get some big beads and put them around. Just different colors, just putting them around. Then later on, I I come back around and then place the smaller beads inside if I have any gaps or anywhere. I just place them around where they need to be. What's your favorite craft that you like to do? Please put that down below. Just push, just find a place for the beads to go and just push them in, push them on. Excuse my little dog in the background. My son must have left and she always whining for him. So just push him. Slap them on there. Some smaller ones on here. You can move them around. Just move them around fast because you don't want the glue to dry. This glue dries really fast. And plus I have my ceiling fan on, so yeah, I think it's drying really fast, quickly. I'm trying to hurry up and get it on there before it dries. Ah. Sorry. I got it on her little eye. I'm trying to scrape it off her eye so it won't be goopy right there. I use the back of the picker-upper thing to try to spread it around so it won't mix up my little. It's like wax. You can use pencils, crayons, colored pencils, crayons. It's basically a wax on the bottom tip of this thing to pick them up with. So it's better just to place different sizes to give it that full effect. Different size beads, small, big, little. And thank you for everyone for subscribing to my page and liking my videos. I appreciate that. That makes me continue on doing the thing that you like. Like I said, just push them on in here. Wherever you see needs to be. Any spaces, just push it on in there. Don't have to be perfect. Let me see. Some more blue ones right here. Okay, we're done with that side. So I'm gonna try to build that up some and put another pink one right there. Will it fit? No, too big. Put some small ones right here. And keep on going. So like I said, my Facebook group, I put up polls and everything, different kind of polls, and ask you what you want to learn, and then I show you. I upload videos showing you how to do that project you want to learn. I don't know everything, but I try to show you what I do know. I'm gonna do some videos coming up. I'm gonna do a video about different sublimation items. Excuse that TV, my cousin in there watching cartoons, so he's enjoying himself. This glue can be really messy, so just work with it. Just spread it where you need to spread it. It can get real thick and clunky. Spread, but don't put too much on there. Like right now, I got too much on there because I think my fan is gonna dry it out. I'm just gonna hurry up and try to put some on here. Cover this glue up with real quick. It don't take that long. It's gonna get kind of gooky. So I just dot it around, spread it around with the back of my little thing like that. It's drying up pretty quickly. Swing it around. This glue can really eat up beads, so try not to get the cheap beads from Michael's. From Michael's. Try to get them online. I get these from Deco Craft. She's got some really good beads. DecoCraft.com. I can put a link in the description bar below. Screw them up a little bit when you see the little spaces, all the little gaps and stuff. Move them around and place some small ones in the middle if they can fit. Push them on in there. The different sizes give it a better look. We're almost done here. And this glue can get really sticky. And there we have it. And there's the finished product. I'm gonna put a couple small ones around here. I think. Put a dab of glue right here. I can put a little blue one right here. There we go. She is all done. A little pink and blue. Beautiful. So let me know what you want to see. Don't forget to join my Facebook page and we can do more things together. Thank you for watching.